Hi, I'm Chef Raphael. Welcome. This is Dishes Ajab, and today's episode I'm showing you how to make roti. Now, roti is actually also can be called a chapati, but this is like an instant chapati. I've used the Atta Mark flour. They are super simple. The ingredients are only two. Watch till the end and you see how simple it is to make it. Let's get cooking. So for this recipe, the ingredients are simple. Two of them. The Atta Mark flour and water. I'm not even going to measure it. The idea is to get the ratio right in terms of the flour and the water. The idea to add salt. For this amount, one big pinch is enough. And then mix it. And then at the center of the dough, add water a little at a time. So that one first. Now using your fingers, mix the water and the flour. Now in case you add too much water, you can tell because it will start being too sticky. You can always add more flour. It's as simple as that. In case it's too dry, add more water. So the dough needs to be soft but dry. That's what you need. So the dough now is soft. It's actually smooth and soft. The stickiness is not there anymore. So all I need to do now is to form it into a ball. We need to rest it for a few minutes, about 10 minutes. So 15 minutes are up. Now how you tell it's good, when you press, it does not bounce back. It leaves an indentation like that. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide it into small balls. So try get the same size. Just a ball like that. Now don't worry about the shape. It doesn't have to be perfect round. What you should worry about is just getting the technique right. And now, the best thing to do this is do it in stages. Roll them up, all of them. And then after this, you're going to put them on a pan. So now, pan is hot. What you need to do is place it. No oil, no nothing. Let it cook. So the hotter it is, the better it will be, because you want it to start bubbling on top. So you just want it to slightly cook on both sides. So it's dry like that, and then place it on open flame. So it starts puffing up. Like I said, if it burns, it's okay, especially the first ones. When it's cooked, what you want to do is apply some clarified butter or ghee or melted butter basically, and then on one side, and then you stack them up. So when it puffs up, it creates a pocket on the inside here, like that. So it can be like a pita, but this is a good chapati or roti for eating something like kamande, dengu, pulses, or even beans, madondo. This can still work, but this is perfect. It's quick, it's simple. So when you get your own Atta Mark flour, the Atta Mark flour, and you make them, let me know in the comment section how yours turns out. So I hope you learned something new. I'm Chef Raphael signing out. This has been Dishes Ajab. Goodbye.